Put on your brights. Okay. Dude, I wonder what happens if you honk your horn.
Parking lot party.
Fucking honk your horn. And see if they all fly away
That is
at
the
one time.
coolest fucking
What
thing.
are they doing? Are they having like a monthly meeting? Birds of North Texas. We're gonna meet at the CVS parking lot by Tony and Guy. Brr. The fucking. I'm gonna honk it. Honk it. They don't even give a fuck. Look at them. They're like, nope, we're just gonna move over a little bit. I'm gonna go run in the middle of them. Swear to God.